Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Lady Ives here. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? So today magmumukbang ako. Okay, winter dito sa Australia. June, July, August, winter season. Sa ano din, sa Southern Hemisphere. Like Australia, New Zealand, Chile, Argentina, South Africa, my winter season sa June. And also some parts of South America like Peru. So anyway, haggard na ang mukha ko kasi maginaw. Wala talaga akong appetite kung ano ang kakainin ko today. Pero ayun, ito ang nabili ko, South Korean food. Ano siya, ang tawag dito ay chibab. Chibab. So meron siyang japchae japchae noodle. Ito yung brown na color ito. Yan. Steamed rice na may soy sauce, garlic soy sauce. Ito, boneless chicken, looks good. At saka Korean coleslaw. Yan ang kakainin ko today. First time ko nakakainin ang chibab. Ayan. So, meron ako ditong chopsticks or hindi ko alam kung gagamitin ko kutsara at tinidor, fork and spoon. I guess I'm gonna have to use my, I don't know, chopsticks first. Okay, let's try the Korean coleslaw. Meron siyang cabbage. Ano pa ba nandito? I-mix muna natin. I-mix. Ayan. So, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Sa Amerika, no? Ano na ngayon? Summer. Summer pa. Okay. Parang, ano tayo? Opposite. Kapag summer dyan, winter naman dito sa Australia. Pero gusto kong winter na December. Dito summer. Masarap siya. It's delicious. It's got mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise is not spicy. I do like spicy, like sriracha mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise. I really love it, but I don't mind the normal mayonnaise. It's really very tasty. Balance lang yung flavor niya. I-try natin yung japchae noodle. Ano siya? Parang siyang glass noodle. Ayan o. Ano lang, plain glass noodle. Walang kahit ano. Way subak ba sa Bisaya pa. Yummy, yum, yum. I like it. Gusto ko. Yung flavor niya balance lang talaga. Hindi spicy, hindi maalat, not salty. It has the right flavor for me. And then now let's try the boneless chicken. Boneless Korean chicken. It's full of flavor. I can taste soy sauce, a little bit of maybe chili. It's a bit spicy, only very mild. It's very tender. yung ano niya, meat, and crispy on the outside. I love that combination. It's really good. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boneless chicken. It's so flavorsome. Let's try with the steamed rice. Love it. Wow. I made the right decision today to buy this because I really, really love it. I'm gonna buy this again next time for lunch, dinner. It has a combination of carbohydrates, protein. We've got some cabbage here for veggies. This is amazing. I'm not gonna edit my video, so I don't care. I'm hungry and this is how I eat. Bon appetit! Parang wala tayong makuha na rice kapag chopsticks. So, ito na lang. Kutsara. Swak na swak to sa akin. Tama ba? Swak. Do you eat spoon and fork at home? Or just fork and knife? I also have fork and knife. But Asian food, this is Asian food. We can use spoon and fork. And of course, chopsticks. You know what? I'm just gonna keep on eating. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like my video if you like it. See ya!